In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the tempo in Pro Tools. Now to do this, the easiest way is going to be to go to the top over here, and as you can see here, it says tempo. So what you want to do is click on the tempo over here, and then what you can do is keep on pressing T on your keyboard to the tempo, and it's going to basically type in, or of course fill out the tempo, which is relevant to what you are pressing on your keyboard. So that's one way to do it. You could also go and type it in manually like this, but of course the best way to find your tempo is going to be to simply play your audio. So just hit the play button up top, and when your audio is playing, you can just go ahead and click up here. So if I go, for example, here, let's pretend I have a lot of audio, you can go up here and you can just go and basically listen to your audio and kind of type in your tempo using the T button on your keyboard, okay? So that's the best way to tap it in, and you can find it that way, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.